Hi guys, welcome to Seb Sessions. I'm Seb, head mixologist for Gin and Tonic, and today I want to walk you through my favorite rhubarb serve, which comes with ginger ale and a slice of orange. So we're gonna start off by pre-chilling the glass. You want to get that nice and cold, so you cause less water dilution in your drink. All right. Next, we're gonna add a healthy double ounce of the Ruby Rhubarb gin. So now we're gonna ice it up all the way to the top. And next, we're gonna add our ginger ale. There's just something about the flavor of rhubarb and ginger. Brings back childhood memories. So just give that a gentle stir to blend all the flavor together. Delicious. Next, we're gonna add our garnish. We're using fresh orange. And we're gonna go for 2 slices, just to bring out a bit of citrus. Garnish that with a straw there. And enjoy. Cheers.